Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. A crochet flower vase designs involves creating a decorative cover or sleeve for a vase using crochet techniques. The design can vary in terms of texture, patterns, and color to match the decor of your space. Here are a few popular styles for crochet vase designs. Simple sleeve designs, a basic tube-like structure that slides over an exciting vase, often made with simple stitches like single crochet or double crochet. These can be made in solid colors or stripes. Lacy vase cover using open-work stitches or like patterns. This style gives a delicate, vintage look to the vase. It is perfect for more decorative and less functional vases, as it lets the glass or ceramic show through. Textured vase, crochet vases with bubble stitches or puff stitches to add texture, making the vase feel more rustic and cozy. Basket wave design, a more advanced design that creates a basket wave look through alternating front and back post stitches. This gives the vase a open, sturdy appearance. Flower motifs, for a more decorative touch, you can crochet individual flower motifs and sew them onto a plain crocheted sleeve. This can add color and charm, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the vase. Here are some more additional tips for creating a crochet flower vase design that adds charm to your space. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is an excellent choice for crochet vase covers because it has a natural look and provides a sturdy structure. Acrylic yarn can work well if you want more flexibility or softer texture. Experiment with jute or twine for a more rustic farmhouse feel. Incorporate color. Choose colors that complement the flowers you will display or match your own decor. Soft pastels for a cottage or farmhouse feel, or bold vibrant colors for a more modern style. Try ombre or gradient yarns for a subtle color change throughout the vase cover. Add decorative elements, crochet flowers. Attach small crochet flowers or leaves to the vase cover for extra decoration. Buttons or beads. Sew on buttons, pearls, or beads to add a touch of elegance or vintage feel. Ribbons. Weave a stain or like ribbon to the top or middle of the vase cover and tie a bow for sweet finishing touches. Play with patterns, granny scarves. Join small granny scarves to create the Silk stitches add a delicate scalloped edge with silk stitches at the top of the vase cover. Saffron or zigzag patterns incorporate different colored yarns to make a stylish saffron design. Custom fit to your vase. Measure your vase carefully and adjust your stitches count to fit snugly. A cover that's too loose may not hold its shape, while one that's too tight may stretch or distract. Use a stiffener for shape. For crochet vases that don't have a vase inside, you can stiffen your crochet fabric with a glue water solution or a commercial fabric stiffener. This technique helps maintain the shape and the structure of the vase when displayed. Make it functional. If you are using the vase to hold real flowers, consider leaving an opening at the bottom to remove the cover for cleaning. For decorative vases, feel free to stitch it closed or use a base made of yarn as well. Create sets. Crochet vase sets in various sizes and shapes for a cozy look in your room. You could crochet matching candle holders, table mats, or even dollies to complement the vases. Experiment with stitch combinations. Mix and match stitches like the pop stitch, bubble stitch, or V-stitch to add texture and complexity to your vase design. Use trills or fillet crochet for an open, airy feel that mimics the delicate structure of leg, ideal for a vintage or shabbatic look. By experimenting with these elements, you can create personalized crochet vases that match your home's aesthetic, whether it is farmhouse, vintage, or modern. Thanks for watching this video. Happy crocheting!